What's up, guys? Welcome to my kitchen and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way to make ice cream without an ice cream machine. I made it for my family here in Austin about a week ago and they all freaked out over it, couldn't believe that this was homemade and without a ice cream maker. It is insanely easy. It's literally 2 ingredients. You can add more ingredients if you like. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out my channel, and I'd love to hear what you guys think about this hack. Let me know if you try it. It's a great thing to impress your family and friends for the 4th of July, and it's so easy you're not gonna believe it. Stay tuned and let's get some ice cream made. Okay, I wasn't kidding that it's 2 ingredients. What is this? 1 pint of heavy whipping cream, and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Make sure it's not evaporated milk, has to be sweetened condensed milk. This is a 14-ounce can, so 14 ounces to 16 ounces. Your best friends here. I swear to St. Petersburg, you're gonna freak out over this. It is so incredibly good. Way better than anything you'd buy in a carton, and I'm not exaggerating. Like, try it. Pinky swear. All right, I'm gonna use my, what do you call this? Beater attachment? I don't know what it's called. Whisk attachment. I'm gonna use my whisk attachment for my KitchenAid mixer here. You can also just use a hand mixer. You can attempt to do this by hand, but I think it takes some serious muscle, but it can probably be done. Where there's a will, there's a way. So all I'm gonna do here is just pour in the pint of heavy whipping cream. Be sure that it's cold whenever you do this because it makes it easier to whisk. You're gonna wanna whisk this just until it starts to thicken up slightly. Now for step 2, just open your can of sweetened condensed milk. Why is this so good? It's so good. All right, can going in. So when you turn the mixer on this time, start it out at about medium and speed it up gradually. Be sure to get every ounce of the sweetened condensed milk out of the can because let me tell you, this stuff is liquid gold. Now you're just gonna scrape down the sides of your pan to be sure that it's all incorporated. Turn the speed up to high and whip it until it's super thick. Now we're just gonna prep the ice cream to go into the freezer. I like to use a large shallow dish because the ice cream will freeze a lot faster. When you do it this way, it takes only about 2 or 3 hours to freeze and you can have this on super short notice. Be sure to get every ounce out of the bowl because let me tell you, you do not want to waste an ounce of this stuff. I like to spread it out just so it looks nice once I take it out of the freezer. If you don't lick this, you're crazy. Oh my gosh. It's so good. It's like almost caramely. I don't know. Really good. You're gonna freak out. Yum. Now when you put this guy in the freezer, make sure that you have a tight-fitting lid. I like to use a Tupperware type container for this reason because you want to make sure that the scents in your fridge do not seep into the ice cream and you end up with onion ice cream because nobody likes that. Now wait a few hours and then you have this. Super thick, creamy, delicious ice cream. Now this stuff needs no additional embellishments, but I can't help myself and I have to put chocolate shell on it. It makes a huge mess, but this stuff is delicious. Yum. I mean, come on. You don't have to have any cooking skills to make this. None. You just gotta use your eyeballs, have a freezer, have a mixer. I suppose you could do it with a hand mixer as well or by hand. I've never tried it by hand, but I bet you could if you tried really hard. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I really hope it helps out at your 4th of July celebration this week. And be sure to let me know what you think in the comments below. I love to hear your feedback. Let me know if you try it out. Be sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you again soon. Bye. No, not cute. How are you supposed to eat an ice cream cone without looking stupid? Bye.